Hey guys, Anna Gray here. Those of you who are new here, my name is Anna Gray. My friends call me Banana. I teach online entrepreneurs how to create Facebook groups, communities, and turn those communities into loyal customers. Now, I do it a little bit different. It's not your typical grow your Facebook group kind of place. And I've kind of, made a name for myself, and I'm kind of the conversation person here. So today I wanted to talk to you about your Facebook group and why people are not showing up on the regular. So people are not showing up on the regular. That's totally normal, all right? Even for my group, there are plenty of people that don't show up on the regular, and it's not because of me. It's not because of my group. It's not because of my content. It is because of life. How many of your friends, maybe even you, want to take a break sometimes from social media? Maybe you weren't on social media today as much as you normally are, and you definitely don't scroll the Facebook feed. Like if you're in business, you don't scroll, right? So if your business is geared towards business people, your goal for your Facebook group is to create an environment and a community where your community shows up even though they don't need you. And how is that? So I like to give an example of real estate. Okay, I say real estate because my husband's a realtor. Now, if I were to create a group and I'm a realtor and I have, potential buyers in there, potential sellers in there, but you know what? The market is not great right now. Am I going to talk about real estate every day, all day? Do those people want to be in the group and talk about real estate every day, all day? No, because they're not ready to buy. They're not ready to sell. But how do you keep them showing up in your community so that they remember you when the time is right, okay? Your group is just the same. Maybe it's health and fitness. Maybe today they don't need health and fitness. They just need someone that's there for them, that can relate to them, that can support them, a community that's got their back, right? They need a community like that. But what are you doing? You're sharing information because that's what you do. That's your niche. Maybe you're teaching Pinterest. You're showing Pinterest all the time and how to be successful on Pinterest. But guess what? Maybe today I don't need Pinterest. Maybe I just need that lift, that boost me up support to keep going in my business, right? Okay, so you get my point, right? So you have a Facebook group. You don't need to teach your stuff every single day in that group, but you want people to show up every day. I want people to show up every day because I want people to stay connected to me. I want people to say, hey, this is the community that I really enjoy, that I really like to be a part of every day. I want to see what I missed today. So your goal is for your members to click the group name and to pop in and not rely on the algorithm. So how are you going to do that? You need to create conversations. You need to develop conversations that are not your niche, that are not information, that is just you being you. Tell a story. Tell everybody what's going on. Share likes and dislikes. Yes, you can go out there and find Facebook group games all you want. There's stuff on Pinterest. I have a board on Pinterest that's Facebook group games. Super easy, super great for the algorithm, but is that going to keep people showing up every day? No. Are you gonna play games every day? No. But you're gonna have a conversation every day. You wanna get to know your group. Your group wants to get to know you. Your group members want to get to know each other. It is your job as the leader of the group to be the conversation starter. All right? That's all I wanted to say today. I just wanted to remind you that it is not about the information, it is about the conversations. And more importantly, it is about the relationships that you build through those conversations. It takes effort, but let me tell you, it is so much easier to have a conversation with somebody than to create content. And maybe you're hiding behind the content and you don't want to tell a story and you don't want to have a conversation.